Welcome back to today's episode on the investigators.
Today we got a terrible call from a family of jaguars living in the Amazon who became the victims of a terrible crime.
One that the investigators must solve. Let's meet the witnesses.
Hello. Thank you for coming all this way to help my family and I solve this mystery. My name is Josephine Jaguar, and my family and I are in great distress after being robbed of our family heirlooms. I'm so sorry to hear that. We will do everything we can to help.
Can you tell us a little bit more about what happened?
Well, my kids and I were watching Tiger Toons, one of their favorite TV shows that only airs at night. We were all sitting on our couch when all of a sudden the lights went out. We were so shocked and scared that we all froze into place. The lights stayed off for another few minutes and then they turned back on and my jewelry was gone. Oh no! Did you see anyone leaving? I ran outside to look, but I didn't see any jaguars. All I saw were a pair of floating eyes in the dark.
How about you, Johnny? Did you see or hear anything? No, it was so dark, and the only things I could hear were the sobs of my brother Jeremiah.
Hey! Let's check out the scene of the crime. We have just arrived at the crime scene. This is where the family of jaguars live. This is a beautiful one-story rainforest house and looks like it's perfectly intact. You would never guess a robbery occurred here. Let's go inside.
I don't see anything abnormal. Whoever did this is a professional.
Wait, what is that? What is it, Jer? I hear something. I think someone's hurt. I see it. There is a shadow in the distance. Let's go investigate. I have never seen a jaguar look like that. Where is Spots?
I don't know, but I bet it helps him to be stealthy. I don't know. I've always looked like this. That's why I left home, to find others like me. I've been stealing jewelry to survive, and I'm very sorry.
Well, I'm sorry, but we need to call the police. Unless...
Mom, we can't let him go to jail.
You are right, Johnny. We have to help him.
It has been a few days since we caught the robber, and he is now being held in a holding cell in the Amazon rainforest jail, waiting patiently for a decision to be made by the Jaguar family. They have final say whether he goes to jail or not today.
This is a very intense time, Gabby. The robber has been revealed as a jaguar, but not a regular-looking one. The jaguar has an all-black coat and has no spots. The jaguar said that he had no idea why he looked like that and just wanted to figure out why. Poor thing.
Well, we have been waiting for the results of the robbery. Gertrude and I have done some research on this mysteriously colored jaguar, and what we found out will shock you. But first, we have to take a look at how our genetic material works.
A segment of DNA that codes for a specific protein is called a gene. When there is a mutation in the DNA, the protein changes, leading to a new trait. For our panther, the MC1R gene, or melanocortin 1 receptor gene, is affected. Because of this mutation, the jaguar's tan color and small rosette spots are replaced with the black fur of a panther.
When DNA is transcribed, an enzyme called helicase unwinds the double helix and breaks apart the two strands. RNA polymerase connects corresponding mRNA bases to one strand, the template strand, to create a direct copy of the DNA. For the panther, 15 bases, or 5 codons, are deleted from the mRNA sequence.
This means that when the mRNA is translated and amino acids are connected by peptide bonds into a protein, some amino acids are missing. This leads to an overproduction of eumelanin and the dark color.
Thank you so much for helping me understand. I've always felt so lost, but you've shown me that I'm not alone. You're welcome. We're happy to help.
We have made our decision. We forgive you for stealing. All we want now is for you to find more friends like you.
Thank you for your generosity. I promise I won't let you down.
What a beautiful story. Not only did we help a family of jaguars and a struggling panther, but we also learned a bit about biology along the way. We will see you next time on The Investigators.